In this video, I will be ranking your Roblox UI designs. We have 3 tiers for each rank, and it starts at Rookie. Rookies are completely new, just basically complete beginners. Next we have Novice. Now novices have begun to put in some practice into their work, but they are nowhere near any kind of proficiency. Next we have Experienced. Now this is someone starting to understand how to design and are beginning to get a decent grasp. Now we have Adept. Adept designers are now creating works that can be considered good. A step up from Adept, we have Elite. Elites are basically top of their class. Typically, elites are highly respected and have significant experience. And now we have Masters. Masters are basically elites, but Masters are the top portion of all of the elites. However, to become a Master, there is an election process. Become a Master is a very, very high achievement. And finally, the greatest and the best rank you can possibly achieve inside of gfxcomet. We have the one and only, the Grandmaster rank. In each single field of design, we have UI, logos, and GFX. There can only be one single Grandmaster. If you want to submit your work for a ranking, join our Discord. Link is going to be down below. And also we have a store. If you are a developer, it might interest you to check out some of our store assets to help you with your game project. Anyways, let's go ahead and rank some UIs. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. Here we have our first person, Hamza. This is a hero's UI. Now right off the bat, he is attempting to do this kind of half-tone pattern. Now the issue here is that the background is just completely like neon yellow, and the pattern here is also way too strong. The opacity has to be decreased. The title is basically the same thing. The scroll bar here is giant, and the item frames are just pure black. So I believe Hamza already has his appropriate ranking here, UI Novice. It is a good start, and I do believe that he will improve as he continues to design. Next up we have a cartoony HUD UI from Blocks Artist. Now right off the bat here, I can say that I like these colors. These gradients are nice, they are pleasing. I am going to be giving this I'm gonna give him roles. We're gonna go for, let's say, UI Experienced 1 perhaps. Alright, so we have some more UIs here. Ultro already has the rank of UI Novice 3, but let's take a look at his work. Alright, so first of all, this kind of settings UI. I like the, textured style. However, some very quick tips to make this kind of style better is that if you're going for a textured UI, we'll go for some more custom shapes of the buttons. For this kind of UI in particular, I will also add a backdrop. I think it will really add some contrast and help the UI itself stand out from the background. Overall, I like the idea. It's a good start. Next, we have some kind of like graphical toolbar, square frames here. I like the border design here, and also I think the center or main portion of the frame could be darker. Alright, we have this kind of like ramen style UI. The concept is quite nice. I think the biggest thing about this one, if I had to point something out, it's gonna have to be the text. Okay, here we have B8FFC. Let's take a look at his work. Now, first of all, Once again, the colors are nice. This is obviously coherent, so right off the bat there isn't like an obvious or any obvious glaring issues. Now, okay, this store here, I am a huge fan of the store. The cards here with the gradient kind of color to white, I like that a lot. How the text here varies in hue corresponding to the card color. We have some nice sparkles. The header is nice and large. I think overall I am inclined to rank BAFFC UI experienced 2 or 3. I'm gonna go for 2 actually. Okay, that is going to wrap up this episode. If you guys enjoyed, leave a like, tune in for the next one.